you all. I am Nisha teacher from Ashwamegh Vidyalaya. We have completed with the further chapters and we are going to start with the chapter number 3, Windows operating system. Here, what do you mean by Windows? Here Windows means when we start our computer, we see a symbol like this. This symbol is known as Windows operating system. Okay, now what do you mean by operating system? For this, I want to give a small example that you are using mobile also, right? You are using mobile in which there is WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok or Takatak or any other applications. These are known as application software, and when you are switching off your mobile and switch on your mobile again and you are being seeing the symbol powered by Android, it's known as operating system. Means without this operating system our mobile or computer doesn't work. Same way in our computer, this Word, PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel, this other whatever calculator, other the application which are using, they are application software. But the main Windows, when this symbol is being coming, that thing is known as operating system. As we are going to learn in this chapter about different generations of the Windows operating system, it is being honored by the Microsoft company, and the owner of the Microsoft company is Bill Gates, and the maker or the developer of the Microsoft Windows is Bill Gates as well as Paul Allen. See, here you can see both the person's pictures here. Okay, now as why this thing is being changing again and again. As I tell you that this Apsara pencil, it was not 10 year before like this. It was little bit different, right? And the changes which are done again and again and again to make it more perfect and make it more useful to us, that is known as the history of our thing. So our operating system means Windows is also having the history. They are like Windows 1, Windows 3.1, Windows 95, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, etc. And still they are working on it, right? They are still working on this thing. Okay, now let us discuss in the details of this Windows operating system. It is developed in the USA, established by the Bill Gates and Paul in the Microsoft company, and various tasks are being used of WIMP, means window icon menu and pointers. They are working on the different things, and devices which can this operating system are using are मीन्स कि कौन से डिवाइसेस ये ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूज़ करती है, तो मोबाइल, स्मार्टफोन्स, लैपटॉप, टैबलेट एज वेल एज आवर कंप्यूटर. So these are the things which are using the operating system. Let us know the further that history of operating system. History of operating system is, as the first was Windows 1.0, was established on the 20th November 1985, and it was the first version. After that, it was also a nice. It was made available in MS-DOS also, and after that the Windows 95 features were came. In this there were multitasking, networking, multimedia were added. Some different things have been added in the Windows 95, and it was also having a web networking. After that, Windows 2000 has been came, in which Windows Media Player, DVD supporter, internet connection, star sharing, plug, playing, different things are been added in it. Means उसको बेहतर बनाने के लिए कुछ फीचर्स उसको ऐड करते जाते हैं. फिर विंडोज़ एक्सपी में आए प्रोटेक्शन, स्मार्ट कार्ड सपोर्ट, रिमोट वायरलेस नेटवर्क सपोर्ट एंड हाइबरनेट एक्सेट्रा were been added. Then in Windows 7 there was like a theme, डेस्कटॉप पे जो हम थीम रखते हैं सेव करते वो आए. फिर उसमें सेंसर्स आए, मल्टी टच आए एंड मैनी अदर थिंग्स विल कम. इन विंडोज 8 फीचर्स लाइक स्टार्ट स्क्रीन, टैबलेट रेडी, टच इंटरफेस, मोर सेफ्टी, स्काई ड्राइव आर बीन एडेड टू द PC. एंड इन विंडोज 10 multiple desk central, notification center, universal apps, smart menus, etc. are being added in the it. And next is, these are the date when they were introduced in the market and year. These all are the version of Windows operating system: 1, 3, 95, 85, 2000, XP, Vista, 7, 8 and 10. These are the name of the operating system, and these all are the symbols of the operating system. In today 2015 this is being used, right? But still we are also using the 2000 this Windows 7 which was been launched in the 2007. This and this we are still using these both things. Okay, so I want to show you the next thing is how this window is been starting. So you can see here, see I am starting this computer and you will see something. Okay, see you can see here something is been coming again and again. That thing is known as our booting process. What it is known as? Booting process, right? And then our computer is being starting like this. Okay, now here ये जो हमारा कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट हुआ और ये जो प्रोसेस जैसा हमें दिखा हम उसे बूटिंग प्रोसेस कहते हैं. और यहाँ पे हम चाहें तो जैसे हम मोबाइल के अंदर, so when we are starting this screen is been appearing in front of you and you can also keep a password in our computer. Here you can see the thing is known as our desktop, and here you can see a small buttons which are visible. These all are known as icon. This is our start button. These things you can see below are quick launch toolbar. This is our taskbar, the below line. This whole thing which you can see on the screen is known as background, desktop background. And you can see over here, here it is notification area. It is known as a notification area. You can see here time and all. This is our notification area. Okay, so I am just explaining it on a computer only. See, when you are starting clicking on the start menu, see you can see my pointer, and when you are clicking here, see you can see here this option is been get, right? Menu type thing is been get. So this ये साइड की जो चीज़ें हैं इसे हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पेन बोलेंगे. व्हाट वी विल कॉल इट? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पेन. एंड दिस साइड इज राइट हैंड साइड पेन. फ्रॉम हियर we can choose the options of painting and Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You have also seen this. And from here you can choose computers, control panel and devices, printers and many others option. Here you can search anything you want which you can't see in the menu, right? This is also known as a search box. Okay, and this all program is known as all program sub menu. When we will click on it, another menu, another thing will be open here. See, you can see, right? Okay, now whatever we want to open, we can open from here. Okay, now here this right-handed slide pane. In this right-handed slide pane, we can see many things like control pane, folder icon, folders, shutdown. See, here you can see a shutdown menu, right? And in this you can see a option here, computer. So let us click on that computer section. See, you can see here there is a local disk, then local disk D, local disk F. There are options of this. There are hard disk drives and ड्राइव्स विच रिमूवेबल स्टोरेज, यानी कि जब हम पेन ड्राइव इसमें ऐड करेंगे तो यहाँ पे हमारे नाम की स्टोरेज डिवाइस वापस से और एक दिखेगी। ये हमारी 3 ऑलरेडी हमारे कंप्यूटर के अंदर स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस है। ये हमारे हार्ड डिस्क के अंदर सब चीज़ें सेव करती है, राइट। एंड ये जो हमारे डिवाइसेस विच आर रिमूवेबल वो पेन ड्राइव, CD, DVD वगैरह हो सकती है और रिमूवेबल हार्ड डिस्क। उसके बाद आता है कंट्रोल पैनल। सी यू कैन सी you can click over control panel and you will see here some options are been given to you which you can see on page number 33 in your textbook. Here you can see the options of control panel. It controls the computer where control desk, display, font, folders, keyboard, mouse, program, sound, etc. are been given. See, you can see here हम यहाँ से कुछ settings कर सकते हैं। देखो font, display, font, keyboard, mouse, ये सब की हम यहाँ पे settings वगैरह कर सकते हैं। एंड उसी के साथ साथ हम इसके अंदर लैंग्वेज चेंज या फिर डिलीट प्रोग्राम, माउस सेटिंग, सेटिंग ऑफ कीबोर्ड, साउंड सेटिंग वगैरह भी हम कर सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ क्लोजिंग द दिस computer. How we are going to close this computer? We can close this computer by just click on the start button again, and here we are given the options of shutdown and you have to click over there. See, you are given the option switch, user, log off, lock, restart, sleep, hibernate. See, these all options are being given to you. From this, you have to select a shutdown button or log off button. Shutdown button to switch off your computer, and this log off button is used to come out from the users you are working in. हम जो जिस चीज़ में काम कर रहे हैं उसमें से हमें बाहर आने के वो ऑप्शंस देता है, राइट। एंड हम अगर डायरेक्टली इसे बंद कर देंगे तो हमारा कंप्यूटर में जो हमारे डेटा है वो सेव नहीं भी होंगे, लेकिन हम अगर इस तरह से शट डाउन करके हमारे कंप्यूटर में से बाहर निकलेंगे तो हमें काफ़ी सारा अच्छा रहेगा। अगर हम ये कंप्यूटर में स्लीप ऑप्शन यूज़ करेंगे तो हमारा स्लीप ऑप्शन ये जनरली हम किसके लिए करते हैं, लैपटॉप में करते हैं ताकि हम हमारी बैटरी सेव कर सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे ये हमारे कंप्यूटर को टेम्पररीली बंद कर देगा। फिर यहाँ पे ये हाइबरनेट इज यूज्ड टू सेव द ओपन फाइल एंड फोल्डर एंड शट डाउन द कंप्यूटर टेम्पररीली, थोड़ी देर के लिए बंद करने के लिए, so that it can be started quickly when required. The option of hibernate is used. हमें थोड़ी देर के लिए जब हमें कंप्यूटर बंद करना होगा तब हम इस हाइबरनेट का यूज़ कर सकते हैं। और यहाँ पे रीस्टार्ट का हम रीस्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, रीस्टार्ट वापस से चालू करने के लिए। और स्विच यूज़र, अगर हमारे कंप्यूटर के अंदर दो टाइप के मीन्स कुछ चल रहा है तो मीन्स कोई और भी क्या बोले उसे, और भी हमारे कंप्यूटर के अंदर कुछ चल रहा है तो हमें अगर उसमें स्विच करना है तो हम यहाँ पे स्विच यूज़र करके ऑप्शन पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं। एंड बाय दिस वी कैन क्लिक ऑन द स्विच, वेयर इज दैट, you can click on here shut down, and by this our computer will be shutting down. Okay, now we will continue with the MCQ part. So let us start with the MCQ. Who established the Microsoft company? Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Yes. What is the full form of WIMP? It is window internet menu pointer. No. Window icon mouse pointer. No. Window icon menu pointer. Yes. The option C is the answer. Which one was the introductory version of Windows operating system? यानी कि सबसे पहला operating system कौन सा था? Then it was Windows 1. What is the series of tasks which are performed as on switching on the computer is known as? Booking process? No. Backup process? No. Booting process? No. बूटिंग प्रोसेस, यस इट इज़ नोन एज अ बूटिंग प्रोसेस. जब हम कंप्यूटर चालू करते हैं तो जो हमें सिंबल दिखता है वो. व्हाट इज़ द स्क्रीन दैट अपीयर्स आफ्टर द कंप्यूटर गेट्स ऑन कॉल? डेस्कटॉप. जो हमें स्क्रीन दिखती है हम उसे डेस्कटॉप बोलते हैं. व्हाट आर द ग्राफिकल पिक्चर्स दैट अपीयर्स ऑन द डेस्कटॉप कॉल्ड? मैंने आपको जैसे बोला उसे हम ये स्मॉल स्मॉल सिम्बॉल्स को हम आइकन कहते हैं. इट इज़ नोन एज आइकन, right? Icon. Then which of the following icon is there on the Windows desktop? Recycle bin. हमें recycle bin Windows के desktop पे मिलता है. कंप्यूटर भी मिलता है, कंप्यूटर भी मिलता है. recycle bin, network and all of these are been given. Okay, what get displayed on placing the mouse pointer on any icon ऑफ द डेस्कटॉप? हमें वहाँ पे टूल टिप मिलता है. टूल टिप यानी कि वो हमें बताता है कि उसके अंदर क्या है या फिर वो क्या है. व्हाट इज़ द हॉरिजॉन्टल बार दैट एट द बॉटम ऑफ द डेस्कटॉप कॉल्ड? वी कॉल्ड इट एज अ टास्क बार. वी कॉल्ड इट एज अ टास्क बार. व्हाट इज देयर टू द लेफ्ट हैंडेड साइड ऑफ टास्क बार? नोटिफिकेशन एरिया, स्टार्ट बटन, quick launch toolbar, date and time. See here you can see a left hand side पे हमें यहाँ पे start button मिलता है, right? The next is okay. What is there on the right handed side of the taskbar? Notification area है यहाँ पे, right? See you can see here यहाँ पे राइट हैंडेड साइड पे हमें नोटिफिकेशन एरिया दिखेगा, राइट? फिर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कीज आर यूज टू स्टार्ट द स्टार्ट मेनू? वी यूज कंट्रोल एस्केप. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज टू कंट्रोल द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम? कंट्रोल पैनल. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज टू शट डाउन द कंप्यूटर? शट डाउन मेनू. Which option is used to start the computer again once shutting it down? It is restart. Okay. Let us come with the question answer. When was the Windows operating system introduced and with which version? On 25th November 1985, the first version of Windows operating system, Windows 1.0, was introduced. Okay. What is booting process? On switching on the power button of CPU, we see some tasks being performed on the monitor. These tasks are called booting process. What can be controlled by the option available in control panel? There are options in the control panel to control desktop, display font, folders, keyboard, mouse, program, sound, language, system, etc. Right? Now, next is Windows. Windows, what will be the operating system? Start. It is to start the computer. Start is the start button. Shut down. Shut down will to shut down the computer. Control button. Control panel to control the computers. Restart to restart the computer. Okay. So by this we complete our chapter number 3 and we will meet in our next lecture. Till that time, stay home and stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.